Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Tags bundle, and this is a sweet little treat box we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so first I'm going to show you how to put the coffin together, and you get 12 of these, the little coffin treat boxes. And what I did is I went ahead and put tear and tape on all the little tabs. So I'm just going to take these off. And it is easier if you do one at a time. But you do want to use some strong adhesive so that way your box will stay together. And this is safe for food as well. Every year I make my nephews and nieces and the neighbors some little goodie boxes. So this year I'm making these little coffins. I thought they were super cute. Alright, so there is the bottom base, and then here is the top. I just went to the Dollar Tree and I picked up a little bit of goodies because I don't always like to give candy out. They're getting so much candy already anyway, so. And this box is a pretty good size, so you could possibly put the goodies that I'm putting in as well with some candy. There we go. All right, so just like that, we'll get this out of the way. The box fits on just perfectly, and it's very snug. Okay, so let's bring in our stamping. I have a piece of Melody, Mango Melody. And then, of course, for the tags, we are going to be using the Halloween ones. And I have these mounted on block I. Now, I'm going to use the Granny Apple Green. I believe it's all over, but let me double check. Okay. So we're just going to place straight down and lift up. All right. So now we are going to bring in our big shot. And first we're going to emboss. And I have a piece of the Granny Apple Green. And what I did was I traced the bottom of the coffin with a thick Sharpie, and then I cut inside the lines. So I'm going to use this brick wall here. Look guys, new plates. Alright. So we'll run that through. If I can get that in there the correct way. Let me get my shim. Alright, let's try that now. And check that out. Oh, I love that. Alright, so now we're going to do some cutting. I'm going to get my adapter back on. Alright, and then here are the trio. And then I also have a piece of pumpkin pie and these two little pumpkins. All right. And we're going to be using this one. So let's put this together now. I'm going to put some snail adhesive down on our coffin here. And it does make a little border around. And I just had to eyeball it. All right, and I'm going to rub it down from the inside. All right, so just like that. Let's go ahead and fill these. Let's see. I have a pen and then some slime and then a stamp, of course, and a little eraser. So just like that. Now we are going to put that down. And I just have my silicone mat here. So I'm going to put it down with some snail, but I don't want to get adhesive on everywhere that doesn't need to be. Alright, and then I'm just going to poke his little eyes to get that snail out from behind there. And then we're going to place that down. And then we'll do the same for this one. So just like that. Then I have a piece of Granny Apple Grape. And I have my trio banner, trio punch. And this one was measured at like 3/4 of an inch, I believe. Alright, so we're just going to put that across there. Yeah, I'm going to put it across here. And then I'm going to pop this up, and I'm going to go ahead and use the black Stampin' Dimensional since it's Halloween. So just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my scalloped edge ribbon and let's see. All right, so let's take this off really quickly. Let me make it a little bit longer. Okay. So just like that. And I'm going to make a bow. And let me just get my scissors here. All right. And there we have it, a super cute Halloween treat. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye! I think I'm going to go ahead and add some of these glitter enamel dots. Let's see. I'm going to take some smaller ones, maybe cover that little tag hole there. All right, and maybe one more. All right, there you have it. Thanks for watching. Bye.